Hello, welcome again. We are studying material science through previous year objective questions from PSUs. Question number 23 is the temperature at which ferromagnetic alpha iron transforms to paramagnetic alpha iron is option A 770 degrees Celsius, option B 910 degrees Celsius, option C 1050 degrees Celsius, option D below recrystallization temperature, and option E above recrystallization temperature. So answer is option A. The temperature at which ferromagnetic alpha iron transforms to paramagnetic alpha iron is 770 degrees Celsius. Explanation is the temperature at which ferromagnetic alpha iron transforms to paramagnetic alpha iron is called Curie temperature. So this temperature is your Curie temperature and is 770 degrees Celsius. So a paramagnetic solid, this is your paramagnetic solid, attracts the line of force very strongly. So here we can say large deviation. Whereas a paramagnetic solid weakly attracts the magnetic lines of force as shown. So this is very weak. So this is your ferromagnetic. This is below 770 degrees Celsius, below Curie temperature, and this is above Curie temperature. Okay, so answer is option A. The temperature at which ferromagnetic alpha iron transform to paramagnetic alpha iron is your Curie temperature, which is 770 degrees Celsius. So question number 24 is also based on this. So question number 24 is paramagnetic alpha iron exists in the temperature range of option A below 723 degrees Celsius, option B 770 to 910 degrees Celsius, option C 910 to 1440 degrees Celsius, and option D 1400 to 1539 degrees Celsius, and option E above 1539 degrees Celsius. So answer is A. Paramagnetic alpha iron exists in the temperature range of below 720 degrees 23 degrees Celsius. So explanation is the thermal energy. So as we heat, we provide thermal energy, tends to randomize the aligned spin. So previously which were aligned spins of electrons. So this thermal energy will randomize or disturb the aligned spin. Okay. Due to aligned spin, the electron magnetism works. Because of this aligned spin, there is magnetism in iron or in ferromagnetic material, but thermal energy breaks it down, break this alignment, so the magnetism vanishes, so that paramagnetic material becomes paramagnetic at high temperature. For iron, it remains ferromagnetic up to 723 degrees Celsius, then gradually changes to paramagnetic and remains paramagnetic between 770 to 910 degrees Celsius. So answer is option A. Ferromagnetic alpha iron exists in the temperature range of below 723 degrees Celsius. Answer is A.